I arrived in Cairo last week. So since then, I've been able to meet with our counterpart in Cairo, that is the Egyptian Red Crescent. In terms of the geographically, they are sharing the borders with the Gazas. They has been doing this humanitarian response to Gaza even before this escalation. So they are very familiar with the process, how to bring to Gaza. Of course, with the present escalation, there's several limitations, especially the access to the limitation of the access to Rafah border crossings. So with that, they still are able to bring some amount of humanitarian effort inside to Gaza. They have identified the areas of need quite abroad. Of course, with the situation in Gaza, the devastation, the impact of very massive. It's actually, they require the whole array of essential items. So we discussed a few things that we are going to work with them for the Singapore Red Cross. We will support in terms of provide the necessary funding to procure several essential items. That include one, of course, the medical item. Medical item comprises in different components. We're going to support the procurement of medication. We're also going to support the procurement for medical consumable items for them to be able to send to Gaza for our counterpart in the Palestine Red Crescent to use. Because as you know, the Palestine Red Crescent presently in Gaza have decided the humanitarian response that they do. They're actually the key provider of the ambulance service in Gaza. They also are quite widely known. They're also running the Al-Quds Hospital in Gaza cities. We're also looking in supporting the essential human necessities, for example, for clean waters, giving bottled water for now. And we're also providing food parcel for the people in Gaza. In addition, I think it's also important for us to provide the hygiene kit for them. So at this moment now, this is the focus of our support to the work of the Egyptian Red Crescent. My purpose of being here is two trans, because you know that the situation at the Rafah border are very fluid. Similarly, the situation in Gaza. So by being here, I'm able to better have a first-hand knowledge and to react accordingly very quickly.